Hey guys, it's Annie, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be kind of a haul. I have three different sections. I start with books, then stationery, and lastly I do some skincare. So basically this is me showing you some of the stuff I've bought lately, some of the stuff I've been loving, some of the stuff I haven't even tried out or used yet, but basically just a whole lot of random stuff I've been buying lately. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and let me know if you'd like to see more like this. And without further ado, let's be sure to subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more bullet journaling, wellness, and inspirational content from me. And let's get right onto the video. So hey guys, I probably explained what this video is all about in the intro, so let's get right to it. The first thing I'm going to talk about is some of the books I've been buying lately, so I'll start. So I got this literally yesterday, as it was my birthday yesterday, so a lot of the stuff is going to be like birthday stuff, or stuff I've bought, stuff I've just gotten, and loads of stuff like that. So firstly, I got this book. It is Ariadne by Jennifer Saint. I think it is a new release, hence the fact it is a hardback, but the cover is so beautiful. It is, I'm pretty sure it's a story about Ariadne, who was the half-sister of the Minotaur, I think, and I think it's about her and Theseus. I'm not going to get too in detail about all of these books, otherwise we would be here for a while, but I'm looking forward to reading this one. Next, I have got Circe by Madeline Miller. This was my mum's book, and I just took it, basically, but I'm borrowing it. But I think it's going to remain on my bookshelf because it is so cute, and I love this book so much. I'm reading it currently. I'm almost finished. It's about Circe, who was a Greek goddess, and all of the stuff she goes through in her life, basically her life story, and it's really interesting. It has about her and Odysseus and loads of different things like that, and it's really, really good. And Madeline Miller is such a talented author. I loved Song of Achilles, of course, so I knew I was going to love this book as soon as I picked it up. But yeah, it's really good. I would recommend it, even though I still haven't finished, but you know. Next, this is a book I haven't read yet, but I bought it. I think I'm going to plan on reading it on holiday if we go, hopefully, if COVID is all good. But this is Beach Read by Emily Henry. It is like a rom-com. It's about these two writers, and then I think they were childhood friends or something, and then they meet again for the first time unexpectedly, kind of forced proximity trope, kind of, and then they're both authors and they write different genres, and then they switch genres and write each other's books, kind of. I haven't read it yet, but I'm looking forward to reading it. I really want to kind of read a light-hearted, a rom-com kind of book right now, especially as a beach read in the summer. I feel like it'd be really good, so I'm looking forward to reading that one as well. Next is a book I finished recently. It is called No One Is Talking About This by Patricia Lockwood. This book is kind of it's a fictional story about this social media star, kind of. She refers social media or the internet as the portal, and it's kind of confusing, honestly, but once you get into it, it's quite good. I gave it 3-ish stars, I think, so I would recommend it, but I feel like I should have read this when I was a bit older because I didn't understand it completely, but I think it was a good story. It was kind of hard to grasp what was going on at all times, but I think it was really good, and I feel like if I reread it in a couple of years, I think I will appreciate it more, I guess. So yeah, I do recommend it. Okay, next is another book I would like to read on the beach or on holiday or something, and it is The Great Godden by Meg Rosoff. I hadn't actually heard of this book before, but I saw it in the bookstore, and it was it looked like the perfect summer book. It's nice and short and sweet, and it's got good reviews, and I don't know anything about it, what it's about. I think it's going to be similar. I feel like it's going to be kind of a similar vibe to We Were Liars, maybe a bit more summery, I guess. But I'm looking forward to reading this, and as I said, it's quite short, so I kind of guess it's a good summer read, summer story to look forward to reading. Next is another book I haven't actually managed to read yet, which is Burnt Sugar by Avni Doshi. It is, I've been looking forward to reading this for a while. It's supposed to be quite sad. It says, this is a tale of obsession and betrayal. It is a poison love story, but not between lovers, between mother and daughter. And I feel it's kind of mysterious. I feel like it's going to be really, really interesting and really, really sad, which I kind of do enjoy the book, to be honest. I do love a bit of a sad book, so I'm looking forward to reading this. I feel like it's going to be very intense, so I need to kind of get ready and mentally prepare myself, but I'm really excited to read this. Next is a book I read and I absolutely loved. One of my absolute favourites. I read this like last month, and I'm so happy I got it. It is The Hating Game by Sally Thorne. It's like enemies to lovers, workplace romance. It's so good. I loved it so much. I gave it 5 stars, and I couldn't recommend this book to you more. I did talk about it a lot in my podcast episode where I talked about all of the books I'd read so far this year. So be sure to check that out if you are interested in reading of any of the books I have mentioned that I have read so far. So I really recommend this book. I couldn't recommend it more. Next is a book I've wanted to read for so long. I haven't got around to reading it yet. I think I'm probably going to read it next after I finish Circe. But it is The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo by Taylor Jenkins Reid. I've heard she has amazing books. I haven't read any of them yet. I really want to read like Daisy Jones and the Six, Malibu Rising, but I thought this was the first one of her books I wanted to read. It's really popular on like BookTok and everything, and I feel like it's going to be so good. I think it's kind of a bit of a historical fiction, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but I really do love historical fiction books at the moment, so I'm really looking forward to reading this. I think this is going to be my next read, so stay tuned for when I get around to reading that. The next one is The Silence of the Girls by Pat Barker. This is another Greek mythology book, and it is, I think it's about Briseis, and she was with like Achilles and Patroclus during the Trojan War. She was captured by like the Greek soldiers, and she was like a prisoner kind of. But I think it's from her point of view. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's going to be really good because I've read a lot about the Trojan War lately in like, I don't know, like Song of Achilles, Troy, 1,000 Ship. I read a lot of books about that, and I feel like this is going to be really interesting to read. So yeah, that is it for all of the books I'm going to mention. Now I'm going to move on to some stationery items, and lastly I'm going to do some skincare. So now I just talked about my favourite books and some of the books I've bought recently. Next I'm going to mark some stationery. I think this is all from Paperchase, and I got this for my birthday like yesterday. So this is some really cute stationery. They're such cute colours. So first of all, I've got these 2 packs of fine liners. I've got a 6 warm fine liners, and then these are like bright ones. They're really cute colours, and I tested them out and they're such good quality. So I think you guys will probably be seeing this in one of my next plan with me videos, because these are just so cute, and I can't wait to use them in a bullet journal setup or just anywhere else. I feel like these are just such nice colours, and they're just, yeah, these are like the cutest colours I've ever seen. I love them so much, and the colours have got such cute names. Like, look at this, it's got hello yellow, fiery orange. That is so cute. So yeah, these are just so cute, and the packaging is just amazing. So I will be using these in future bullet journal videos, and yeah, you definitely be seeing these again. Next, I've got these brush tip pastel pens from Paperchase, pack of 8. And once again, the colour names are just so cute, and the colours are amazing, and I tested them out and they are really good for brush lettering, and I can use them as felt tips in like a bullet journal setup or whatever. But I feel like these have so many uses that I can use them for in the future, so I can't wait. And they're just such good quality, and once again, the colours are on point. It's one of my favourite things about all of the pens I've been showing you. So next, it is like a little to-do list pad, again from Paperchase, of course. It's like a to-do list pad, and each day it has like a different like kind of like fact about, it says a factual and functional list pad containing a fun fact a day for the next 100 days, all about the weird and wonderful English language. So it's like different facts about English language, and I feel like the colours once again are just so cute, and I will be using this especially when I run out of space in my bullet journal, which is quite often lately, let's be honest. So lastly, I've got this desk pad. I think it is A4 sized, so I can use this like it's like a weekly view planner, whatever you say. So this is good to use alongside my bullet journal and alongside like Notion and other digital things I use, because it kind of I can split out all of my tasks and priorities into like AM and PM, which I find really helpful. And it has other trackers like water, It's got to-do list for the week, dinner planner, habits, top priorities. I feel like I can use this as a really good like weekly overview, and it will just be a really good productivity tool to use alongside my other already like organization methods I have. And also, once again, the colors are just really beautiful. I love them, and I love the design. It's very minimalistic and simple, and it's really cute but also really functional, which I do really love. So that is it for the stationery portion of the video. I will see you lastly when I talk about my skincare. So hey guys, this is the final thing I'm going to be talking about, which is skincare. The majority of this stuff is from Body Shop, so I don't know if you can get Body Shop in different countries actually. I'm pretty sure it's just the UK, but they've got such nice, really like ethically made and really, really good skincare stuff that I use all the time. So firstly, I got this little gift box, which is so cute for my birthday from one of my friends. It's like a mango scented flavored, I don't know what you say. But it's just so cute. It's got like a body mist, perfume, I don't know what you say. A little soap, which is cute. Hand cream, which I use so much of. I've got so many different hand creams at this point. It's kind of crazy, but I use them all the time, so it's fine. Then I've got this shower gel, which is perfect for like traveling as well. And then I've got this like moisturizer, body butter. Yeah, and it smells amazing. You guys obviously can't smell it, but it just smells amazing. Take my word for it. And I love this orange colour. It's just so cute. So yeah, I really love this. It is very cute, like little Body Shop set kind of thing. So next, these are kind of things I bought individually. This is a CeraVe foaming cleanser. So I have used loads of the different cleansers before, but they haven't really been good for my skin. They've been more for like dry skin or like normal skin. This is for normal to oily skin, which is perfect for me. Obviously you can get whatever your skin needs. Obviously everyone's different. This is one that I've been loving lately. It's really, really good, and I feel like it's really good for sensitive skin as well. And the colour's really cute. It goes with the rest of my skincare stuff, which I'll be showing you in a sec. But yeah, this has been my go-to lately. I use this every day in the nighttime, like in my nighttime skincare routine, and it's just been amazing. So next, I've got a couple of like kind of like moisturizing stuff. So first, I've got this like summer soothing moisture lotion, and it's like it's got like SPF and stuff in it, so it's really good for the summer. I use this every morning, so it kind of protects me from the sun without putting sunscreen on, unless I need to, obviously. But I use this every day in the morning, and it's really helpful because it's in this like squeezy bottle, which I feel like is really efficient. And yeah, I'm pretty sure most of the stuff I'm showing you is like aloe from Body Shop, because that's just the stuff I use like on a daily basis. This is definitely part of my daily like skincare routine. Let me know if I should do a video or podcast episode or like a reel or TikTok or whatever on my skincare routine, because I've been really into skincare lately. In fact, I'm showing them in this haul. Next, I've got this soothing night cream, which is just a moisturizer I put on in the night instead of putting the other one on, because I don't really need to put SPF on in the evening. So I put this on in the night time, so it's like a night, basically the same thing, but it's just a night moisturizer instead. It's in like a little tub, and it's just really, really good. And it goes once again with my aloe themed kind of skincare. Next, I've got this soothing day cream. It's once again another moisturizer, but I think I'm going to end up using this in the winter, because it doesn't have any SPF in it, so I'll be using this when it's like not summer anymore. But this is another one that I use all the time in like the winter. It's basically any time that's not summer, I will use this moisturizer instead of the one I'm using currently. So yeah, that is it for this skincare routine. I will see you guys in the outro. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more videos like this. And if you haven't already, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post, so you never miss a new video, whether it is on bullet journaling, inspiration, or wellness. And I will see you next time, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.